Okay, so this is a Dynamo script to convert your CAD 3D polylines into model lines. So I've got a linked CAD file of an as-built survey of some foul drainage pipes, and some foul drainage pipes, so you can see they're all slanted on slopes and what have you. These gaps are where the manholes are. But just to show you, I've got my lines turned off in this view. So if I'm gonna, first of all, this script, I'm gonna just, for instance, hit change and grab that and hit run, and we'll convert the CAD to model lines. So we will now turn on the lines, and we will turn off the CAD. And there you have it. Got your model lines in. So we're gonna exit out of that. No changes to that. We're gonna run a new script and convert your model lines into pipelines. So your model lines, into pipes. And you can do this by pipe type, system type, levels, pipe size. You can tailor this to your own specifications, but just for this one, we're going to pick the foul water. So pipe type, surface water. So just going to take that. Just make it foul. It is a 150 pipe. That's the pipe size, pipe type, pipe system, and it's foul. Again, so let's just take the foul. And then if we just, again, select all of our lines, hit run. This is pipes for model lines, and there you have it. Now, the only thing is your surveyors have to have the top of the pipe correct. Then it's only a matter of connecting these pipes together. Save you a lot of time, and you can do that over multiple disciplines. Obviously, I've got surface water, main water supply. This was all, again, given to me by CAD file, and the same sequence. There you have it.